Hello friends, welcome back once again to this exciting Excel series. I do hope that you have watched all the chapters of this series. So if you have not watched all the videos, then please go to the channel and then hit on playlist here. Then you will get this full playlist. Click here and then you will get this. All the chapters of this series will be here. It is having now 16 videos, 16 chapters, so 1 2 like that. It terms as module 1 chapter 2. Now we are in the module 2 and chapter 17. Today's chapter is chapter 17, so you have another 16 chapters. Please do check all these chapters so that you remain connected with the progress. Otherwise, if you jump from chapter to chapter, then miss khara to hobi ai terms khara you miss the hobi ko beginners kini for intermediate or ba kitang advanced or missing idi I don't think they require this lecture. This is just for the beginners how ropadai tamiba kambu singi damaktani. So watch all the videos before you proceed to the next chapter. So okay, let's jump back to the chapter. Mamangi chapter da koi if function gi matang da tamgre. Today we are going one step ahead and learning the nested if function. And let's see how the nested if function works in Excel through this pictorial example. Nested if function sig ate kesunate han leriba if function do adda amuka if amuka hapsen ba. Ko sigi example sida ko yengsi if ko sida is if temperature B2 having ko B column lere 2 lere B2 is less than 40 of the head taragati temperature climate is cold. And then yesterday if function da ko na big redu kaino ko na tang redu kaino silere logical if function haba logical test chum taragati the value I want to be true adu the irani bako value if true da ina pami potu chummagadi irani value if false dana lalagadi irani adu if false ki saruk si dekho if statement ma hapsen mane single if dana value if true value if false yawa aduga akogi nested if dana value if false ki jaga adu da if function nama amaga mu hapsen ba condition ani check to han bagi wani same cell da condition ani check to han bani or an example pir akanda hene clarity legani but obodo busidi yengsi kamaino no sigi function ji tawrise city khara lere abcd up to g lere magi temperature Fahrenheit 75 18 86 and so on and freeze nara we tawre then si climate si mild ne haire adigi 18 sino cold ne kamaino haili no b2 the lady ba sigi magi temperature si karigumba 40 digi ta taragadi cold oyo natragana adu kaigumba chummagadi cold ena dum haigrani ko kaigumba chumdragadi sida sigi saruk sida lagador si karino value if false ne adu value if false ne ko ni ibigi mahutta if function ama mo hapane amaka check to biyo kari b2 gi value se 80 degi hen manatraga 80 degi 80 or 80 above oy taragadi hot ani biyo sigi condition sina amuk chummagadi hot ani rani kaigumba lalagadi mild oil sigi real kogi simple oiba jargon na simple oiba statement hai taragadi karigumba city dugi temperature si 40 dagi taragadi cold ni 40 dagi na 80 fabo oiragana mild ni 80 dagi helagana hot ni real example da koi mi salagi yengse ko excel gi real example da here ngarang koi na tamgiba example duni hida satra ki total mark phanghiba already lere koi hoji pamisi overall performance yengadori ne bamage ado nested if the instruction khara lermani kari instruction no du click tawragi yengasi okay manai si if students score above 300 term it excellent, below 300 but above 200 term it average, below 200 needs improvement. Koi satra ki sa singi satra ki report card to si irangwani excellent fange subject khuding mag excellent subject kharadana average subject kharadana needs improvement adu kari dano magi overall mark ko the base dawri ne adu sigi mark phangisida ikoi the pdb instructions ni karino high particular student duna mark 300 ki above the phang taragadi excellent in the term to have 300 dagi handharaba 200 dagi ni hen habadi 200 to 300 si fo mark ta lairagana average student ni hen magi report card eu adagi kai gumba 200 dagi ta taragana needs improvement in adu mena remark pbu habani adugi karidani. So let's write the nested if statement. So first we have to press equal to, then if tab logical si kare kam manu yenguja total mark column si h tanin just click here. Okay, we are checking if more than 300 te hen taragadi what kari do you know excellent I will text this, so always under double quotation excellent. All right, kai gumba 300 tagi hele mathang condition ni kai no 200 tagi na 300 form rakta lai taragadi average habani to sida if statement dadi kai no value if false ni value if false excellent na trakta taragadi no andai disi average lore da ahum suba condition do happy aroi ahum suba condition kai no needs improvement do happy aroi nested if sin tragadi maduna sida muka condition se koi check to do se value if false hapagi mahutta adugi saruku the if statement amaga mo hapse ba sidadi if ani khoi ni isi double quotation gi error maram di karigi si function neba function oragadi double quotation di error bo even if it is text ko aduna epsinaro then same condition same cell hai tare h10 is kya greater than or equal to 200 then kari orani average double quotation then is the value if fall ekoi na test ta udori sida condition ahum khaktani ko condition ahum abdi amana excellent oiba haibama average oiba haibama needs improvement haibama ahum ni leise condition ahum leibani na 300 ki test tawra 200 ki test tawra ko 300 ki test tawra 300 phangrana phangraga di 200 phangragadi mathangi da muka if amuk check tawra leiteba ani condition ani si fail oi taragadi aroi bagi condition value if false la ane adunu value if false da khoi kari ni irani needs to improve bracket close bracket karigi no close ani tawgani sida karigi ahan bagi if sida khoi no bracket amaga hape open bracket amaga mathangi if the open bracket amaga hape adu sigi red sina ikogi bracket sina red color ni asigi bracket sigi close bracket si sineba adu bracket am sida open tawbani na bracket am so close tawni ko aduna open the bracket kya no open the bracket ani oitaragadi close to bracket ani ahum waragadi ahum sab manna sakaneba natragadi error with it excel will automatically do it say oje ai amka hapagi yengsiko excel na lale de harakaneba but I auto correction taw kineba siko here sai ka na masa matan auto correct taw kineba yam syntax arum na the sa ai na hapadam khaktani se da ani yaw eba okay so students ke ano phangise 229 phangya that's why he is average we condition da karino hai grido student score above 300 sidi thoksiko above the 300 phangagadi kari excellent dagi equal to greater than or equal to 200 varagadi average less than 200 varagadi needs improvement sorry condition ahum sine ba piri se ko to ahan be condition si kari no sida 229 ni wa fangisi then it's more than 200 but less than 300 so automatically it is average. Let's copy this formula to all cells, double click. Okay, that's right. Let's understand this formula once again. Here let me zoom it a little bit. If h10 the our value c 300 tagi hen taragadi excellent so ahan by koina sig logical text syntax e batamda computer interpret to risi left the right the level formula si ko mana ritoris do aham yeng do si first condition si nebo STNC 300 tagi henbra helagadi excellent hendragadi next the pani kari gumba sina helam taragadi makhadale horiba sigi if statement si degi na si pausa ignore to rani pararoi excellent lo rani tupsangane do si ke gumba true oidre haragadi false statement la ka maram disi do true oidre ko 229 oibanina 300 oidra banina si ki se true oidre ko false the sakre si condition si fulfill oidre then he will come here sida koina between 300 to 200 high deb karigi we have already ignored this one 300 te chumdre na lakraba potsi 300 ta hallaga check to royo aduna 200 te gina 300 fawla yengane maram this is more than 300 never equal to nate ko 300 above have 301 de hodu ne banduna 301 phawgi di potsi chung ki dre ne sida high rabanina 200 mathangi condition sida 200 te gi 300 faw check to bane ba erigumba 200 te 300 faw check to bada condition si fulfill oiraba chumma ba true oiraga di average thola ne ba if true oidaba taragadi mathangi si sakhrane ba ekoi condition hum lei condition mari le taragadi atop if amga hapkane ba sida bad ina maso option bi ai koi na kari if it is less than kari na 100 oiragadi very bad adumina mahapasu yai ba to sida condition se koi si needs improvements hai sigi kari si e da if statement namas di e rasu easy ba yai ba ko samana ne ba answer do if h10 is less than 200 adu oragadi sidana mo true statement ne false to koina pira roy 200 teki less hoy taragadi needs improvement ne si true statement ni false do ko pira roy maram di condition ne koida am holai tre condition do lei taragadi false statement mo pbi or ida pira su yai leiragadi sida bad and p se ko else bad very poor amaga mahaptare se hojik poor su yoro mani very poor su yoro mani kara yobam to yaw da jala 200 ti tabam po yaw da ba 200 tagi tabam mak tabam po yaw de do koi sidam change to to sigena oroi be sida 20 ne fangalas koina e bedal soire ko less than sida kogi 200 tagi na 300 from the average are less than 200 ta needs to improve higher do very poor so less than 200 is zero de hogudu bani aduna sida 200 higher is sigi mota kari hatara greater than or equal to 200 higher roy yadi yengsiga 150 di yengs 150 adu oragadi needs to improve very poor se ko thambe arani so let's change this mark as 10 10 let's see is 123 so it is coming very poor so mine if ki conditions statements hai multiple number of condition yani tabu should be in the same cell siga na cell ahum mari de compare to ya deba cell mari ahum mari de compare to ge hadi match ta tara fangaba account adu fangaba adu orga di si hayo haira adu mena to boda orga di we have another function if and end have a lady or have a lady that we will learn about that in the next chapter sigi chapter sida di if ki ngaktani so let's change this one to the all and then change the formula so we remove this one okay else needs improvement needs to improve okay now it is average let's click it all right so this is how we work nested if function in Excel and that's it for this lecture and I will see you in the next lecture please do come thank you bye bye